see what we got going on here. I don't see the queen on the bottom. That's good news. Ooh, what do we got? So this is the box that we added last time. And it looks like, from what I can see, we got some actually pretty good drawn cone out. I waxed these pretty good. Look at that. They've drawn these out quite a lot since we were last in here. At least this frame. This frame's drawn out a little bit, nothing on the back. And there's the only one up here that's drawn out. It's interesting, it's like a side frame too. Oh, this side frame's a little bit drawn out as well. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Usually I would do the opposite. But I'm gonna put this in the middle. It's all honey stores or sugar stores. So the queen hasn't been up here. At least it doesn't look like it. And we'll go ahead and take this off. Look at that brood. You got brood and honey stores up there. Those things. Brood and looks like some hatched brood and honey stores at the top. And I say honey, but it's not actually honey. I don't see the queen on here. I'm gonna get those waxed up better. Woo, look at that brood. That's my girl Belinda, kicking butt. She is kicking butt. That's what we like to see. I like to see this drawn out more, but I guess I just don't like these frames with the plastic on it. Some nice brood and pollen stores, and then we got some hatched brood over here to the left. So we've definitely got new bees coming out. I don't see her. Here she is. Here's Belinda right here, doing what she's supposed to be doing. I feel like that paint's starting to come off. We got this big drone right here, this big Bubba over here. Good looking brood pattern here. They are kicking butt on both these sides right here. I don't see any. It would have been cool to see some brood being hatched. But I don't see any. Ugh. More nice looking brood. We definitely have more bees in here than we did last time. This one's spotty over here. They're drawing it out. Be nice to see a little bit more. I'm gonna flip this one. Yeah, that one's stuck together with cross comb. It's not bad. They're doing something over here. And look, there's even brood over here, some larvae. She's been over here laying on this. I'm gonna move this one in. This one put on the outside. We need one more frame. Let's put this one in here. They've already started this one a little bit, and I waxed this one, so looking good.